If your budget is under 300K, this American-built 35-foot boat with joystick and one owner makes it the perfect boat for the sandbar or the Bahamas. Your easy-to-maintain fiberglass platform has a step-down snorkeling ladder, plenty of lounging space, and a garage for any fenders, lines, and snorkeling equipment. Down below, you have a spacious air-cooled cabin with a full kitchen featuring modern appliances with dining room for 8. And check this out, has a built-in central vac system, making sure the boat stays clean. Currently have plenty of seating area, but all converts into 3 beds for any overnight needs. Your bathroom has a toilet, sink, and shower system. She has a modern helm system. Your upstairs kitchen has a medium-sized fridge, electric grill, wet sink, and features own drop-down TV. And she has a convertible sunroof, giving you flexibility of sun or shade. You have a convertible lounging area, plenty of cup holders, and JL Audio surround sound system. You have 2 convertible couches, one of which gives you sunbathing ability for 4. She has a modern helm system with a Volvo Penta trim assist system, getting you on plane faster. Your bow has sun lounging for 2, plenty of cup holders with an electric windlass. If you would like to purchase this boat, comment Dayboat and I will DM you the information.